In my previous video that I made on how you can backtest your trading strategy for free using a software, I've gotten a series of comments from that particular video, right? And with the comment that I've had, it has become necessary for me to look for solution to the problems that you are facing, right? So in this video, I've come up with two major solutions that will help you to use this platform for free and for lifetime. And you also have access to the web version of it to backtest your strategy for free, and you don't have to spend a dime, right? So stay tuned and let's dive into it, right? There are two major solutions to the problems that I've discovered so far based on my research. And the second one is my favorite and is the one I'm using currently, right? So let's start with the very first one, right? So you see this platform over here, which is a 𝙍𝙀𝙾 that I've introduced you to backtest your strategy. You know, when you register, it gives you 14 days access, right? It gives you 14 days access with the Gmail account you provided, right? So what I initially did in order to let me use this software from time to time before I even made a video on it was that I used a temporary email, right? So you can just come to the website or just come to Google and search for TEMP mail, right? Temporary mail, just hit it and you're going to have access to disposable email, right? And that is the same method that I use, meaning after every 14 days I come up with a different, I come here and generate a different email address and I use it to register an account, which led me to use the software for as long as I want, right? So this is the first method. You can generate emails after every 14 days and register on an account and use it for free, right? So now let's talk about the second method, which is the one I mostly like and the one I'm using currently, because this particular method allows me to use this software for free. I mean, it allows me to backtest my strategy for free and for lifetime. I don't have to change email address from time to time, right? So having said that, let me introduce you to my one and only platform that I'm using currently to backtest my strategy. All right, so here we are. This is the software I'm using currently to backtest my strategy. And trust me, you know what? You don't have any problem with this particular software as I'm speaking right now, okay? You don't have any issue with it. You have access to backtest your strategy and you can replay anything on any time frame at all. There is no need for you to register with your email after every 14 days and so on and so forth. And of course, they also have paid plans, but trust me, you are totally fine with the free version and you don't have to do anything. Now, what software am I talking about? I will leave the link to this software in a video description as well, right? And I'm using the web version of it, right? I've not downloaded any software, okay? That's one thing you also need to know. You don't have to download anything. You just have to use the web version, just like how TradingView is, right? So let me just quickly use the bar replay over here. Okay, so this is it, the replay bar or the bar replay. All right, so I'm just going to start from here. Let's say I want to start from here. You can see double click to select the candle starts on replay mode. So I'm going to double click here and good, you can see this is what I have over here, right? And this is 21st of March 2024. This is the data over here, right? So let's assume this is where I want to trade. Let's say I've discovered some other block over here and I want to use that, then probably enter for, let's say, a short position. So I'll just come here and locate my short position tool over here, then place it over here, right? And extend it to the down over here. That's if I want, right? And leave my stop loss over here. And of course, one thing that you notice about this is that it's a free version and you can see this adverts popping, right? So you just close it and you are good to go, okay? You are not paying anything. So yeah, the adverts shouldn't distract you that much, right? Now I'm going to replay this, right? So this one too, it has the speed that you want to use, okay? So I mostly prefer to use a high speed, let's say something like this. Now I think 0.1 second is too much. Okay, 0.7 second is okay. So I can just replay this like this. Okay, that move has already happened. I've not moved this close to this, right? So what I wanted to also note is that with the position tool, how it appears on TradingView that you see the line drawing to indicate the TP hit or SL hit, it's not here like that actually. So you just have to look at it with your eye, right? So yeah, let's just play and let's see how the bar is going to play on and on, right? All right, so enough of that. I don't want to make this video actually long, so let's quickly look at how you can get this particular software, right? So all that you have to do is you come to your Google browser, then you type GoCharting. All right, GoCharting, just hit enter. The first link that you're going to see, all right, use that particular link right over here, all right, GoCharting.com. So GoCharting, world first multi-asset order flow charting, right? So you click on this particular link and it's going to send you to their main website, right? And I'm going to take you through their pricing as well. Of course, it's a whole thing over here, right? It's a whole thing over here. So just go to pricing. Once you come to pricing, you see that you don't actually need to like upgrade actually, right? So we have the free version, the in-ear lights and the premium over here. And the most important thing that we need over here is a bar replay. And of course, we have it in the free mode. So guys, tell me, do you need anything or do you need any other reason for which you want to buy or you want to upgrade? Well, if you want to upgrade, that is totally fine. But for me, I think I'm okay with the free version for now, which allows me to backtest or trade anything at all that I want to trade, right? So we have the pairs over here. This is GBPUSD that I'm actually checking over here currently, okay? And if you want to change the pair to, you can quickly change it. All that you have to do is just come here, right? Come here and search for whatever you want to search. Let's say I want to search for EURUSD, all right? So I'm under the Forex column. You can see we have sports, futures, options, and so on and so forth. So I want to search for EURUSD, okay? And I'm going to use the under over here. So I just have to click it and it's going to load for me just like this, right? And of course the background actually was white and stuff, but white and it was green and red candle. I have to change the color because I don't like the default one. So this is it. This is the EURUSD currently over here, displaying over here. The time frame is over here. If you want to change it, you can just change it, right? That's a 4-hour time frame. If you want to use 1 hour, just come and select 1 hour and it's going to load for you right here. And a bar replay works on every asset and every time frame that you want to use, right? Let me just right click over here and you will see this is happening on a 1 hour time frame. And what's the date for this particular asset? This is 6th of May 2024. Let me go to a different time frame. Let's say 5-minute time frame, and let's say if the data is still going to be the same on the 6th of May, right? So it's loading currently. You can see it over here. It's a request timeout. Now it just came back. Now let's see over here. What date is that? The same 6th of May that you can see at the bottom over here, 2024, right? So this software is pretty cool. It's going to solve all your problems, right? So yes, of course, when you are here, I've already created an account and I've logged in actually, right? You can see this is my profile over here. So if you come to this part actually, okay, they will allow you to open an account, and I think let me show you that right away. So I'm going to log out right now. Okay, I'm going to log out. Okay, so when you come here, the first thing that you see is probably login, right? Login. So when you tap on a login, they will ask you if you have an account already or you are coming to create an account. If you don't have an account, just come and tap on create one now. All right, so once you come here, just go ahead and create the account that you want to create. So for this one, I'm going to check if I have a temporary email that I can use. And note, I'm using this because I'm just coming to give an education, all right? I'm just doing this for educational purpose. I already have my personal account over there, so I don't think there's a need for me to create another account for myself. So yeah, I'm going to paste the email over here and the password. Click on sign me up. Then they'll send a code to that particular email I've provided. So let me check over here if there is any code that has been sent to me. Okay, so GoCharting support, there's a code for me to use. All right, so I'm just going to open this email actually, all right, and look for the code. Once I have access to the code, I'll be able to log into my account, right? All right, so this is the code that is being displayed over here. I have to copy it, all right, copy, and I'm going to go back to the GoCharting platform over here. Once I'm here, I'm just going to paste the code in there and tap on submit. Once I've submitted a code, I'll be granted access to the platform, right? So you can see this is it. I've been granted access to it now. You can see if I want to log out, I have to log out, right? So that is basically it, and that's how you can access the platform. And I'm going to leave the link to the platform in the video description so that you can equally, have access to it and use it. All right. And I hope this video has been helpful so far. If it has, go ahead and hit that like button on this video and also subscribe to this channel, because on this channel I provide educative content just like this one, and also share my forex trading journey with you. All right, my name is Godsway, and of course, those of you who want to backtest on your mobile phone, you are not left out. I'm going to make a separate video on how to do that for you, purposely for you. If you want to use your mobile phone to backtest, have access to the bar replay tool like that, trust me, I got you covered. You don't have to worry. Stay tuned, and I'm going to provide you with a video shortly that will actually help you in that. I'll see you in the next video. Bless up.